All right, everyone, let's get ready. We're going to the vegetable farm today.
Are we going to see tractors too?
Yes, you'll see tractors, tools, and machines farmers use to work in the fields.
Please make sure to put on comfortable clothes and your boots.
And don't forget your hats. It might be sunny, and we'll be outside most of the day.
I want to learn how plants grow. Do vegetables grow the same way as flowers?
Some do, but many vegetables have special parts, like roots, stems, or leaves that we eat.
Perfect. Let's hop in the car and start our farm adventure.
Look over here, everyone. Is it tomatoes?
That's right. Tomato plants grow on vines, and they need a lot of sunlight and water.
Why are some tomatoes red and some green?
Good question. Tomatoes start green, and as they ripen, they turn red, yellow, or even orange, depending on the type.
So green ones are not ready yet?
Usually not. When tomatoes are red, they're softer, sweeter, and have more flavor.
Are tomatoes vegetables?
In cooking, we treat them like vegetables. But scientifically, tomatoes are fruits because they have seeds.
That's funny. A fruit that we put in salad.
Yes, many foods we call vegetables are actually fruits. Tomatoes are one of them.
Can we grow tomatoes at home?
Absolutely. Tomato plants can grow in the backyard or even in pots, as long as they get lots of sun.
I want to plant one. I'll water it every day.
Kids, this section of the farm is where broccoli grows. Come take a look.
Oh, I thought broccoli grew like little trees.
You know, the part we eat, the broccoli head, is actually a cluster of tiny flower buds.
Flower buds? So broccoli is a flower?
It's the part of the plant before it blooms. If the farmer waits too long, the broccoli head will open into yellow flowers.
So they have to pick it before it blooms?
Exactly. When the buds are still tight and green, that's when broccoli tastes best.
Why are the leaves so big?
The leaves help the plant make food from sunlight. The stronger the leaves, the healthier the broccoli head.
Broccoli is healthy, right?
Very. It has vitamins A, C, and lots of fiber to keep us strong.
Then I'll try to eat more broccoli at dinner.
That's great. Fresh broccoli from the farm tastes even better.
Kids, come over here. This is the carrot patch.
These look like little green leaves. Where are the carrots?
The carrots are hiding underground. What you see on top are the carrot leaves.
So the orange part grows under the soil.
Exactly. Carrots are root vegetables. They grow deep in the ground to stay firm and straight.
How do farmers know when a carrot is ready to pick?
They gently pull the leaves to check. If the carrot feels big and strong, it's ready.
Look, mine came out. It's orange and a little dirty.
That's normal. Carrots need to be washed before we eat them.
I want to grow carrots at home too.
Carrots grow best in soft soil. If we make a small garden bed, we can plant some together.
Yeah, I want to grow the biggest carrot ever.
Let's finish exploring the farm first. Then we can plan our carrot garden. Kids, come look at this row of plants. These are eggplants.
Wow, the eggplants are so shiny and purple. I thought eggplants grew underground like potatoes, but they're hanging on the plant.
Eggplants grow above the ground. They're fruits that grow on tall, leafy plants.
How do you know when an eggplant is ready?
When the skin is smooth, shiny, and the eggplant feels firm but not too hard.
Why are they called eggplants? They don't look like eggs.
The first eggplants were small and white, shaped like eggs. That's how they got their name.
That's funny. Eggs on a plant.
Eggplants are full of vitamins and great for cooking. We can make a tasty dish when we get home.
I want to try cooking with the one we pick.
Look over here, kids. This is the potato field.
I don't see any potatoes. Where are they?
Potatoes grow underground. The green leaves you see on top belong to the potato plant.
Underground, like carrots?
Yes, potatoes are root vegetables. The part we eat grows under the soil.
How do farmers know when the potatoes are ready?
When the leaves start turning yellow and drying up, it means the potatoes underground have finished growing.
That must be fun, like digging for treasure.
Exactly. Potatoes are like hidden treasures in the dirt.
Look, I have found a big potato.
We're finally home. How was the farm today, everyone?
It was amazing. I loved seeing how vegetables grow. The carrots were my favorite.
I'm glad you both enjoyed it. What did you learn today?
I learned that carrots grow underground. I didn't know that the leafy part on top shows where they are. And broccoli is actually flower buds. If the farmer waits too long, it turns into yellow flowers.
You learned so much. Farms are full of science. Plants, soil, sunlight, animals. Everything working together.
I want to start a small garden at home. Maybe we can grow tomatoes?
That's a wonderful idea.
Can I help too? I want to plant something that grows underground.
Then carrots or potatoes would be perfect for you.
We'll plan our little garden tomorrow. For now, let's wash the fresh vegetables we brought home.
And make a big salad for tonight.